going on, everybody? It's your man DJ Soundproof here with Lady Soundproof herself. We're currently in the snow on a journey, as you can see right now, and it's really cold. Shout out Jimmy John's for this cap right here, and yeah. So.
Yeah, this wasn't supposed to happen in the South. We call ourselves getting away from the snow, and yet it finds us again.
We walking right now in the snow to the grocery store because the roads are very unstable to be running.
And people in the South cannot drive.
So, being in the South right now, this unexpected weather, this unexpected snowstorm has closed a lot of businesses, workplaces, and everything. So, we are taking advantage of our legs right now. Not advantage, but
workout since we can't get a workout. It's in the summertime. We can't go to the park like we usually do.
And this snow is very thick.
Yeah, and everybody looking at us like we crazy, but we've been driving in this, so we're sick of it.
Yeah, very. Also, as y'all know, we got our daughters with us right now. Right there, walking real slow. I got a mask on for extra warmth. You know, we're ready for the store, but yeah, it's cold out here. Look at Miss Snow Hitty over here.
Huh? Why you put your hood on your head? Oh, okay.
We finally made it to our destination, which is Family Dollar right now. We walked in the snow. It's a little close to our neighborhood and our home, so we went ahead and took advantage of walking, and it paid off very well. So everybody is here right now, grabbing groceries, getting a little warmed up until our voyage back. So keep y'all up to date with what we're doing right now. We're gonna keep this camera rolling, keep it popping. Don't say those words. Go.
So what we just did was we came down to the store to get us some snacks. We got us some pizzas. You see we racked up on them. We got us, babe, what's this? Oh, we got the Jamaican style beef patties. Oh Lord. They're so good. Kids don't like them, but more for us. And we need some more drinks. What else? All right, guys, so we in the you know what I'm saying, snacks aisle, you know what I'm saying? We up in Family Dollar. So my mom already picked the Cheetos up, you know what I'm saying? I'm a label reader. We got Kyrie right here without the glasses, you know what I'm saying? We got my mom with the double mask, you know what I'm saying? We got me without the mask on, you know what I'm saying? We got Jordan over here with the foggy glasses on, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all, what we doing up in here? So, what kind of chips do you want? Bro.
All right, so we back at this again. You know it's me, man behind the scenes, behind the camera, foggy glasses, your boy DJ Soundproof. And we got these cookies over here. We right here, we shopping right now, as you can see, for snacks and food, because we snowed in, as you already know. So, honey, you think you want some cookies or something like that? Like some chips or
no, honey, I'm watching my figure.
Your figure's great, honey, but so y'all want to do some dip and sauce? I can't do it, but y'all can do it, you know what I'm saying?
Dip and sauce. Dip and sauce.
I don't eat sauce, so I can't really eat it like that.
Right here we got the hold on. We got the Tostitos. That's Tostitos chunky salsa. Oh my god, maybe this works. What? Alright.
Moving over. Moving down the line. Catch us. Did that get you? That ain't get no cookies, yeah? Oh, she want those.
They're $1, guys.
These are $1 too. Honey, look, you get these.
That's probably a lot of salt in that.
I mean, not my glasses. Why look like they're raining?
So here we are in the drink aisle, looking for some little caffeinated drinks, you know what I'm saying? And we stumbled upon this old Frappuccino in Family Dollar. What is on your corporation? You guys will be tagged and mentioned. This is disgusting.
Well, I look like, you know, that thing, that combination where you can't mix oil and water. Why would you do that? That is disgusting.
Confuse somebody. Now
somebody gonna get it. It's broken.
We're gonna take it up to the front.
Yeah, okay.
That's why it's so.
It looks like spoiled milk.
Put it down for you. Leaking your hand.
You see what
All right, so we just completed our run to the store. As you can see, all the bags Family Dollar is right about there.
And the snow has gotten deeper.
And the snow has gotten deeper from the missus herself.
They covered our tracks.
The girls in the back, so it's really cold. I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll. We're gonna get out of here and see y'all when we get back to the house. All right, so as you can see, we all made it home safe and warm now from the voyage we just took. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow all of our Instagrams. You guys will see them in the description below and in the video. So yeah, that's all we got. So again, good night, good evening, wherever you guys are. Keep tuning in. We got more on the way.